Today is Saturday, 20th of July. Up here at my little building. Had my heart attack Monday, so just a few days after that, I wanted to come up and trim my bushes, feed and water my birds. Notice the neighbors left a fork truck sitting outside. That's unusual. So, heat index right now about 100 degrees. It's warm. That hissing sound is my air compressor bleeding down. We'll get to that in a second. Out here in the garden area, I pulled the rest of the tomato plants. The vines had pretty much played out. Any tomatoes left on the vines after the vines play out got kind of a funky taste to them. So I still got to clean up this bed area, get all the green out of it. That'll be for another day. I'm kind of tired right now. There's all my tomato cages. 2 of them need repair, and several of them need some straightening done. For what those things cost, they should be a little stouter than what they are. Oh well. I have no chest pain or upper arm pain. I know my pulse is extremely elevated, as is my blood pressure, but the meds still are not right. So anyway, one of the other things I had to do today was air up tires on the backhoe. 2 of them had correct pressure, 2 of them were low. My right rear has sidewall pinholes. They'll maintain operating air pressure about 2 months. And I put in a tire eject. It's on the sidewall, so that really didn't do much good. I don't feel like spending $1,100 for a tire yet. Of course, the obvious thing would be to put a tube in it, but local tire shops aren't real good about checking the inside of the tire hull to see if there's anything that's going to rupture the tube. That might just be a waste of time and money. They want you to install a new tire. But if it holds air for 2 months, it can wait. It starts holding air for 2 weeks, it can get replaced. Still got to spray, but look at the sky, about 40% cloudy, so the rain chance is pretty high. I don't want to spray and have it rain. It's a waste of time and money. I'll watch the weather. There should be some days coming up with no chance of rain, and that'll be when I spray. I got some areas I need to spray with a hand sprayer too. Corn crop doing good. For volunteer corn, I ain't gonna complain at all. Poor little birds are spoiled. They love it when I come up here. It gives me a reason to get up and move around. I don't know why they left the fork truck outside. Maybe they were working today and it broke down. Who knows? I just hope it doesn't get molested over the weekend. But they didn't ask for my help, so there's nothing I can do. So I got a bunch of doctor's appointments next week. Trying to get my heart situation straightened out. We'll see what happens. I had some super high blood pressure and pulse rates last night. We'll see. Ain't nothing I can do about it. and take my meds like I'm supposed to. So they said take it easy. I'm taking it a whole lot easier than I normally do, so I think I'm taking it easy. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.